Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to insert an SD card into your Sony ZV-E10 II camera. To insert an SD card, you're gonna have to get yourself a microSD card adapter. Make sure to insert your microSD into it before inserting it into the camera. Then turn your camera to the right so you can see the left edge of it and open the tray for the SD card like this. After that, we're gonna have to enter our SD card this way. Push it inside until it slightly clicks and then close the tray. After that, let's launch the camera. And from now on, you can access the SD card's memory by clicking this button. If your SD card isn't supported, you can also format it using this camera. To do that, simply switch to a different capturing mode, for example photo, by moving this toggle to the left, or you can also move it to the right, and then you're gonna have to tap enter to perform the format operation. And this way you can also remove the SD card. So just open the tray, push the SD card a bit inside, remove it, and then close the tray. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.